Good afternoon student, here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in our today's class in the course number Elective Extension 244 Credit 2+1, that is 3, course title Agricultural Journalism. Today we are going to discuss topic that is a newspaper and magazine as a communication media. This is our fourth topic of theory. So let's start our today's topic. In this topic we are going to discuss about the what is actually newspaper is there, what is a magazine, what are the parts of newspaper and magazine, what is the function of newspaper and magazine, and what are the characteristics of newspaper and magazine. So let's start today's topic, newspaper and magazine as a communication media. So first of all, what is actually communication media is? So it is refers to the means of delivering and receiving data or information. Okay, so the sending or receiving the information with the help of different medium up to the audience or the people, okay, with the help of different communication channel, that is your communication media. So these are the different popular types of communication media are there. What are that? Television, radio, print media, outdoor media and internet media. So these are the 5 popular types of communication media. Through that, different kind of the information related to your environment, related to the surrounding will be delivered up to the audience or people in the particular area. Okay. So what is this television? Television, you know very well, it is one of the telecasting the different programs related to agriculture, related to health, related to business, any other field. It will be the giving the information to the farmer and the general audience related to the different activities. So it is one of the audio visual medium, means you can hear that particular program or particular information which is a play on the television, and also you can saw that particular information. Okay, so you can see and you can hear. It will the different moving pictures, moving information on the your television. Okay, so that is about the television. Then radio. So what is this radio? Radio is one of the audio method. Okay, it is one of the extension teaching method under the mass communication, which is the one of we can only hear the information, not see the information by your eyes. So it is one of the broadcasting medium, means whatever the information is delivering through this radio, it's called as a broadcasting program. Okay, so here it is one of the modulation of the electromagnetic waves which can be transferred in a audible form to the people. This is about the radio. You know very well there is agriculture, different kind of the agriculture program is also broadcasted through the radio, and it is one of the best method. Why it is called as the best method, or it is a truthful information medium? Why? Because it in this small or in the less time it will be the reach up to the number of people, thousands of people. Okay, and it have the, it can be, it is a movable, radio is movable, so farmer can take this radio at their farm also. So it is a that it is one of the advantage of this radio. Then next is your print media. So what is this print media? So whatever the information related to the agriculture or any other field, it will be the in the form of written. Okay, it in the written form. Okay, so people can read that information through this print media. In the print media there is a different kind of the examples are there. The newspaper is there, magazines, journal are there, okay, periodicals, different kind of the things are there, leaflet, folder. Okay, so we are going to discuss in the next slide about the print media. But one of the drawback of this print media is what? Illiterate people can't read this print media. Okay, means newspaper or magazines, journals, articles. Okay, so that is one of the drawback. The outdoor media. What is this outdoor media? Outdoor media means it is not related to the directly information through the or telecasting, broadcasting information or the in the written form. It is related to the, suppose for example, sports ground is there. So whatever the activity is done at a sport ground, okay, and other things, that is under the outdoor media. So you are getting the information through this outdoor media. Then internet media. What is the internet media? Internet media is what? is, you know very well, we are also learning through the online medium, okay, through the different browsers, through the different apps, okay. So teaching learning process is going on online. So internet media is play vital role is that. So here there is a different kind of search engines are there. You can go Google on your mobile and getting different kind of the information at the one click. So you can read the e-paper also, e-magazines also there, okay. So you should not going to buy the paper or the magazine and read that. So it is a, you can get the information at a one click through this internet. There is a different kind of the internet media is there. What is that? Google is there, then YouTube is there, Facebook is there, Twitter, blogs are there, different kind of the app are there. So you can go through the all the details for your specific topic. You can search there and getting the information on this internet. So these are the 5 different popular types of communication media, okay. So information is delivered through this media up to the audience. Then we are going to discuss about the, in this theory class, about the print media. Print media is playing the very important role in agriculture, especially as we discussing about the agriculture journalism in this overall our course. So print media play vital role in, why? Because the farmers are connected with this print media more. So here there is a different kind of the print media are there. Newspaper is there, magazine, then journals, books are there, and other print media like circular letter, leaflet, newsletters, folders are there, banners, wall news papers. So these are the different kind of the print media is there. So this is what is actually this newspaper and magazine we are going to discuss in today's class, and the other this leaflet folder we are going to discuss in the practical classes. So let's start this, what is actually newspaper is. First of all, what is a news? So news is what? It gives the information related to the current events in a sequence to the audience or the people who are going to read that particular newspaper. So news is what? It is a what? It is a event of current information or in a sequence. So event of account in a current sequence is called as a news. So whatever the current information is happen, your surrounding or your environment, that will be in the form of your news. And what is a newspaper? So newspaper is what? It is one of the publishing containing written information about the current event. News is what? It is a current event. And what is a newspaper? That current event is publishing in the form of written information. It is a very simple. So again, it is a one of the printed publication, usually daily or weekly, consisting of folded and stapled sheets and containing news, articles, advertisement and correspondence. Okay, so this is about your newspaper. Then there are different kind of the characteristics or criteria of the newspaper is there. So we are going to discuss one by one. So first is a publicity, second is a periodicity, currency and universality. These are the 4 criteria or characteristics of the newspaper. So first is a publicity. So whatever the content is in that particular newspaper, it will be the accessible to the public. Okay, so it will be the publish the particular information up to the farmer. So people can aware about that particular topic or particular information. For example, in agriculture, if the particular season is there, suppose in summer season there are different crops are there. So in specific crop, for example cultivation of soybean crop, so it give the information related to the soybean crop in the particular newspaper. So people can aware about that particular soybean crop, and it will the published or publicity of that particular cultivation of the soybean crop through the news. So it will be the accessible to the public, whatever the content is there. Okay. Then periodicity. What is the periodical? Periodical means what? The particular publications have some intervals, that is a daily, weekly, fortnightly, quarterly, monthly, yearly, like that is their intervals are there. So paper is published daily or weekly. Okay, so it is a published at a regular intervals. I already told that is a daily, weekly, monthly, like that is there. So paper is a typically published daily or weekly only. Okay, then currency means whatever the current information is there, that will be the given to the audience or the readers who are going to read the particular newspaper. So it is a up to date information should be allowed to the publication according to the schedules. Okay, that is your currency is there. Then what is universality? It covers a range of topics, not only this is the only agriculture journalism is course is there, so not going to give only agriculture information, but in general newspaper all the topics are covered. Which topics are covered? There is a covering the business, market, political information, agriculture information, social issues, okay, and weather information. All these topics are covered through this newspaper. So it is a universality, one of the characteristics of newspaper. Okay, so then next is a what are the functions of newspaper? So already according to the definition and we already covered this point. So to inform people what is happening around them, that is the first function of newspaper, to inform. Okay, to interrupt the news. So whatever the information is there, it will be the interrupt in the form of story, okay, in a easily language, so people or the reader can getting that particular information. Okay, then to provide a service or advice to readers, it provide the different kind of the services, okay, or advices to the reader. It not only the agriculture, business, market. For example, we are taking the example of market. So it give the information or providing the service related to the market, what is the selling and buying price of the particular good. Okay, so that is the thing is here. Then to entertain by publishing the different feature story, comic story, again horoscope is there, again film, any information related to the film, okay, film actor, actress. So all this information is in the form of your entertainment. Okay, so that is a functions of newspaper is there. Then types of newspaper, there is a 4 type of newspaper are there: national newspaper, regional newspaper, local newspaper, and tabloid newspaper. Okay, so national newspaper, it cover the all the national and international events happened in the particular country or outside the country. Regional newspaper, it covers the whatever the regional or at the district level, whatever the events are happen, that cover in the regional newspaper. Local newspaper, in the particular local area, whatever the events are happened, that information covered through this local newspaper. Suppose for example Aurangabad is there, so whatever the information in Aurangabad, under Aurangabad, whatever the taluka or villages are there, that information should be covered through this local newspaper, local area information in the local newspaper. Then the tabloid newspaper, it cover the all the information. It is one of the largest type of the newspaper is there. It cover national, international, all the information. Okay, that is about the tabloid newspaper. Then next is a next part is a what? It is our magazine. So what is a magazine? It is a periodical publication containing articles and illustration, often on a particular subject or aimed at a particular readership. Okay, so this is about your magazine. Magazine is what? It is a periodical publication. Okay, newspaper is a periodical publication, but daily and weekly. Here what? It is a periodical publication, that is a daily, not daily, weekly. For maximum it is a monthly and yearly publication. Okay, that is a your magazine, and it is a focused on the particular or any specific subject, or it is a one of the particular leadership. So here it cover the only particular or a specific one topic only. Suppose there is a agriculture magazine is there, so agriculture magazines cover only agriculture related topics only, agriculture and allied businesses, not any other. Related to agriculture, anything, then market, business, all the things are there, but related main focus on agriculture. So that is the thing is there. In agriculture also there is a different kind of themes are there. So for example, we taking the Marathi magazine, that is Bali Raja. So it have the some theme of monthly magazines. Okay, suppose in this month they are focusing on the only agri business. Suppose for one crop only. Okay, so then the summer season, then the Rabi season, like that only. So they have some theme to their particular magazine, monthly magazine. So that is one of the illustration is what it containing the article and illustration. So article means what? Information, technical information of the particular topic is your article. Okay, so here this particular article having the illustration also. So suppose for example there is a insect attack on soybean crop, different kind of thieves is there or any other. So to also illustrating that particular insect attack on the soybean crop, it shows the pictures of that insect, how they attacked on the particular crop, that is on the leaf or the stem or any other parts of the particular soybean crop, and also what kind of the or how much they how much percentage they destroy that particular plant. So it show all this thing through the pictures. Okay, in illustration not only the pictures or photographs, it's also covered the charts, maps, table, all these things comes under the illustration. So what is the magazine is there? A periodical publication containing articles and illustrations often on a particular subject or aimed at a particular leadership is your magazine. Also it is a publication, usually periodical publication, which is a printed or electronically published. So these are your definition of the magazine. Then next point is characteristics of the magazine. So it provide the broad overviews of the topics. Okay, so it gives the overview of the topics which we choose for the publication. Scholarly journals provide in-depth analysis of the topics and report the finding of research and trade magazines. Okay, so whatever the research is done at the particular research stations or through the scientists or through the students at the PhD levels or any other things, so that research work should be the published through this characteristic. Okay, so whatever the research work is done, that will be the in-depth analysis or in-depth findings should be published through this magazine at the form of articles. That a popular magazine which caters to the general public uses non-technical language. So whatever the wants or need of the audience, that will be the published through these magazines in a non-technical language. Then the content of this magazine include interviews, general interest article and various types of the features. Okay, so this magazine not only include the information or not only the articles, but also the interviews of the successful, for example the agriculture magazines. So it will be the interview of the any scientist who did some work, he or she some research, or he or she research done on the particular improved varieties or improved practices, that will be in the form of the interview. Or any progressive farmer, that should be the information should be published through this interview. Then general interest article we are going to discuss in the types of magazine, what is actual general interest articles are there. Then next is they usually cover a wide range of the topics based on the research, source comment and generalizations. Then articles are usually written by a staff writer or a journalist. So whatever the articles are written by in this magazine should be the staff writer or the journalist. In some cases interesting articles of the freelancers are also encouraged. So this is the one of the characteristics of the magazine. Then they generally contain many interesting and sometimes censorship photographs to attract the reader. I already told, if any interesting topic is there, if we give the photographs related to that particular interesting topic, it will be the attract to the readers. Okay. Then in general, magazine articles are easy to read, okay, fairly brief in length, and may include the illustrations or photographs. So I already discussed about what is the illustration is there. So it will also include the illustration or photograph. Magazine don't necessarily follow a specific format or structure in writing the articles. As a newspaper, for news story, there is some of the structure is there or some of the format is there for writing the news story, but in magazine there is a not definite or specific format or structure is there for writing the articles. Then next is its attractive appearance, eye catching cover pictures and illustrations are there, and a quality paper is there. Okay. So it make it more appealing to the reading public. So it containing the eye catching cover pictures, illustration means cover page of that particular magazine, and pictures, photographs is also well collected for this particular attractiveness. Then magazine also contain many colorful and impressive advertisement. Magazine is also containing the colorful impressive advertisement. It is not a black and white format, it is in a color format. Then there is a different types of magazines are there. Okay. First is a general interest magazine, second is a news magazine, third high class magazine, men's interest magazines, technical magazines, house magazines, religious magazines, film magazines, sports magazines, children's magazines, farm magazines, business magazines, environmental, entertainment magazines, automobile magazines, women's magazines and literacy magazines. As the name, you should know the what is actually magazines content is there. General interest means that it is a general interest. Whatever the particular audience having the interest in the specific topic, that information should be in that particular magazine is there. Okay. So it is not a specific one, it is having the general information. Then news magazine, it gives the information related to the whatever the current events are happen in the environment. High class magazines, it's cover the all the area in your community or the surroundings. Men's interest, what actually men's having some different kind of the interest like rather than the men's. So what is the main interest is there, that kind of the magazines are there. Okay. Then technical magazines, it gives the technical information related to your environment or whatever the actual research done at a technical level. Then house magazines, okay, so house magazines is related to the information of organization, how you should organize a particular organization or the house. Okay, that information should be given to the in a house magazine. Then religious magazines, there is a different kind of the religion in our countries there, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Isai, Sikh. So related to the particular religion, that type of the information in this religious magazines are there. Okay. For example, some books or magazines are there, suppose giving the information related to the Jyotirlinga, okay, like that information. So it is related to the Hindu religion. So that is one of the things is that the film magazine, it is overall information of the your film industries. Okay. Sports magazine related to the cricket or any other volleyball, handball, any other sports is there, badminton, okay, it is. So that type of the information in your sports magazine. Then children's magazine, there is a comics are there, suppose there is a Chintu is there, Akbar Birbal is there. So like that comics are there, which is specially done for the children's. Then farm magazine, there farm magazine is what giving the information related to agriculture or farming or related business only. That is your farm magazine. We are going to discuss the what are the examples of this farm magazine also. Business magazines related to the information related to the business, market, okay, that is thing. Environmental, it is related to the biodiversity or and the nature related information in this the environmental magazine. Entertainment related to the feature stories are there, okay, horoscope is there, any other things are there. Automobile industries related to the mobile is there, or any electronic things are there, that information should be in the automobile magazine. Women's magazines, women's have the different kind of the interested are there. So suppose for example Saheli is there, or any other magazines are there. So that will in the form of the in this women magazine. Literacy magazine, it encouraged related to the literacy, it is a educational magazine, it give the information related to the education. Okay, that kind of the magazines are there. Okay, so here the some of the example is there: Cricket Today, Agribusiness Today, okay, Technology, Down to Earth, it is also one of the agriculture magazine. The Legacy, it is related to the business. Agriculture Today, it is related to the farm magazine. India Today is related to the business or political. Then the Champak is related to the children's interest magazine. Then Bali Raja Shetkari is also related to the farm magazine of in Marathi. Farm Food, Agriculture Today, okay, Agro India, all these magazines as shown in this picture on this slide. So all these are the types of magazines are there. Okay, so functions of this magazines we are going to discuss in this slide. It is a long form writing, it is not a short story or like that, it is give the detailed depth analysis of the particular topic. It is published on a regular basis. Okay, it published on the regular basis, weekly, monthly, like that. Specific function of this magazine is what? It is a surveillance, correlation, entertainment, giving the marketing goods and services information. So surveillance means what? Here it gives the specific information of the specific topic, okay, to the readers or the people. Correlation, it give the interpret the information to the reader in the easy language. Entertainment, it gives the all the entertainment information related to the I ordered told feature stories there, comic stories there, any horoscope is there, or any other things, okay, related to the entertainment. That will be the one of the function of this magazine. Marketing good and services, it provide the all the selling, buying price through the this in related to the particular good. What are the services are there, again how you can, what is the price of particular good, current price of the particular good, that is the minimum cost of the particular crop, for example in agriculture. So it give the all the marketing information. Okay, so that are these are the some of the specific functions of this magazine. Okay, so today we cover all this newspaper and magazine as a communication media. In that, what is actual newspaper is there, what is a magazine, their parts, their function, their characteristics, different types of the magazines. Okay, so these all the topics we cover in today's class. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in a comment box. Okay, these are some of the reference books of the particular agriculture journalism. Journalism, it's a farm journalism and communication skills. It is written by G.L. Ray and Sagar Mandal. Again, broadcast journalism, basic principles, S.C. Bhatt. If you have any queries, you can ask in a comment box. Thank you.